So today I'll be showing you how to add your favorite contacts to the edge panel of your Samsung Galaxy A34. Now, when your favorite contacts are in the edge panel, you can easily get to them. Just pull from the home screen and then text message or call one of your favorite contacts. So to set it up, go to settings. On the main settings page, go to display, tap on that, and then under display, go to edge panels. So first things first, make sure edge panels is enabled, okay? Because if it's disabled, you'll not be able to pull the edge panel from the side, or rather from the edge of your screen. And then go to panels and then look for the people panel, okay? Make sure that is selected. If you want to, you can unselect all these other panels. Let me in fact disable all other panels and just remain with the people panel, okay? So with that selected, you can now hit the back button all the way back to the home screen. So now when you pull on the edge panel, because we haven't set it up, we have to allow the edge panel to access the contacts. So just tap on allow and then confirm you want to allow the edge panel to access your contacts. And then now tap on add contacts. Now it's going to suggest for you from your most frequent contacts, but you can tap on select contacts to get into your phone book and add contacts to the edge panel. So let's add, I'm just going to add some random contacts. Obviously you want to add your own favorite contacts. You can add up to 12 contacts. So I'm just going to add, let me add 6, okay? And then tap on done to save those changes. And now we have the contacts on the edge panel, okay? From now on, just tap on the back button. Any contact you want to remove, just go ahead and tap on that, okay? And that's going to remove that contact. Anyway, once you're happy, just hit the back button all the way to the home screen. And now on the edge panel, you can always pull up and see your favorite contacts. You can tap on any contact and then you'll have the option to either call or send a text message, okay? Simple as that. And that's basically how to add your favorite contacts to the edge panel of your Samsung Galaxy A34. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below and good luck.